Hi, I'm Julie Garland McClellan. Understanding the rules in the boardroom is the key to success. When you consider how many strict liability breaches your board could be at risk of, you understand the need for training. A strict liability breach is one with no excuse, even if the breach was accidental, even if you didn't know about it, even if you repaired the damage, you're still considered guilty. Continuous disclosure is a very good example, but it's not the most serious one. In Australia, there are numerous laws that put directors at risk for corporate fault. Some have a reverse onus of proof, so if you are accused, you're considered guilty unless you can prove otherwise. Reasonable doubt doesn't always apply in the boardroom for criminal or civil offences. Yet directors are often recruited for specific business skills and have no inkling of the special governance rules that apply. And worse, some of them have a tendency to mock those rules and claim that they won't impact honest operators, or believe that focusing on business success alone will suffice. The former chair of Dick Smith, when his appointment was announced, was quoted as saying, "If you want a governance-driven, rule-keeping chairman, then I'm not the ideal person." A few months later, the company was in receivership and directors were in the spotlight. So in the words of Dirty Harry, either you train your board or you've got to ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do ya, punk? Or would you rather feel well informed? Good luck in your boardrooms.